Our topic for today is solutions and solubility. Solutions are mixtures. A solution is a mixture of a solid and a liquid where the solid dissolves in the liquid. The solid and the liquid can be mixed together in any amounts. You cannot see the different substances of the mixture, but the mixture can be separated. Now, there are many terms that you need to know when we do solubility. I will explain to you all these terms step by step. The first term is solute. A solute is a substance that dissolves in a solvent. So, that would be your solute. A solvent. A solvent is a liquid in which a solute dissolves. So, that would be your solvent. The solution is formed when we dissolve a solute in a solvent. Solutions have a uniform appearance. That would be our solution. Dissolve. Dissolve is when a substance can go into solution. That means part of one substance can mix and spread between the parts of another substance. So, for example, when you think of dissolving a tablet in water, then parts of the tablet will mix with parts of the water, and then the tablet will dissolve in the water. Soluble is when a substance can dissolve in a solvent. So if you take coloring, if you take blue food coloring and you put it into water, then it will be soluble in the water. We talk about substances which are insoluble. Insoluble is when a substance cannot dissolve in a solvent. The mixture is not uniform, therefore it will not be a solution. So for example, if we take oil and we take water, we know that oil is insoluble in water because the mixture is not uniform. The oil will come to the top. That is all the experiments that you did last week. Then we have unsaturated solution. So when you make a solution and you can add more of the solute in that solution, then it is a unsaturated solution. A saturated solution, so the first one here is the unsaturated solution. Then a saturated solution is when no more of a solute can dissolve in a solution. That means when you mix more of the solute and you stir and you stir and you stir, you will still find that the solute will be visible in the solution. And a supersaturated solution is when a saturated solution is heated and stirred to make more of the solute dissolve. Let us revise all this now. A solute is a substance that dissolves in a solvent. A solvent is the liquid in which the solute dissolves. A solution is formed when we dissolve a solute in a solvent. Solutions have a uniform appearance. Dissolve is when a substance can go into solution. That is, parts of one substance can mix and spread between parts of another substance. Soluble is when a substance can dissolve in a solvent. Insoluble is when a substance cannot dissolve in a solvent. The mixture is not uniform, therefore it will not be a solution. An unsaturated solution is when more of a solute can dissolve in a solution. A saturated solution is when no more of a solute can dissolve in a solution. A supersaturated solution is when a saturated solution is heated and stirred to make more of the solute dissolve. These terms are extremely important to know when we are doing our section on solubility. Remember, there is a big difference between dissolving and melting. Dissolving needs two materials to be mixed together, while melting involves heating one material to change the state. For example, when ice is heated, it melts to become water. Here's an example. Putting your sugar in the water, you will find that it is a sugar and the water, so you are dissolving sugar. The two materials are mixed together. Melting, when you're heating one material to change its state. For example, when ice is heated, it changes into water. A good way of remembering this would be a snowman melts, he does not dissolve. Please make sure that you learn your terms because they are very, very important to know the section on solubility and solutions.